HTML is the which type of the language? Answer is the markup language. With the help of the HTML, you cannot perform any computational task, so it comes under for the markup language. The largest heading is H1 and S6 is the smallest heading. Number list you can display with the help of OL. Okay. And HTML inserting the image, there are the two attributes, SRC and the ALT. SRC means the source of the image, and ALT, that is alternative way to display the text behalf of the image. So correct answer is A. Horizontally, if you want to display something in the web page, that means HR in HTML. And the first tag of the any HTML document is HTML only. And how can you make a bullet list? Bullet list we can make with the help of UL tag. And HTML, if you want to display text in the italic, then the correct answer is I. Answer is D. HTML, there are the 6 different type of the heading tags: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So answer is C. List individual items if you want to display in the order list, answer is LI, list item. So A. Creating a checkbox, you can use the HTML checkbox, input type equal to checkbox. And merging of the any two cells horizontally, then you can use the call span equal to 2. So answer is C. Tags and text that are not directly displayed on the page are written in the head section only. So answer is A. If you want to add a row in a table, then TR and the /TR. Answer is B. If you want to display the bold in the text, bold text, that means answer is B and A. B is the tag, answer is A. And the background color if you want to add, then you can use the inline CSS. Body style equal to background -color colon. You can write in the any hexadecimal value, otherwise name of the color also is okay. So answer is A. And www World Wide Web is the based on the client server model. So B. XML stands for full form is the extensible markup language. B. All XML elements must have a closing tag. So answer is B. Correct syntax of the declaration of the XML version is equal to :A.0 close it. So answer is B. Well format XML documents means root element, one or more elements, and the root element must have a contain all other elements. So answer is D. Comments in the XML, that symbol is again C. You can see that symbol we can use for the putting the comments in XML. Correct XML name is XML correct name can be assigned begin with underscore but cannot have other special character in the blank space. So correct answer is A. XML use the feature of SGML. So D. Declare the way of the describing XML data. How? Then we can use the using the DTT as well as using a description node to the described data. So answer is both A and C. DTT stand for the document type definitions. Answer is B. Following XML fragment are well formed. So here answer is A. My element, my attribute equal to some value. And before closing we want again the slash. It is required when validating the XML document. So answer is A. To add the attribute name, type the customer tag in the syntax will be D. Answer customer type equal to excellent. The attributes used to define a new namespace is XMLNS. C. Most accurate statement about the application of XML is C. That is the organized information. Specify the attribute list of any element. ATTLIS C NCH. XSLT patterns used to match the parent node D double dot. XML namespace, a set of names representing a specific XML vocabulary. Answer is B. Following statements are true. Which statements are true? All statements having a true, because all elements, XML element must have a closing tag, all XML document must have a DTD, all XML element must be in a lowercase, and all of the above. So answer is here all of the above, because all are right. PHP stands for hypertext preprocessor. So answer is D. PHP is an example of server-side scripting language. PHP scripts are enclosed with, answer is B, angle bracket question mark PHP, then again closing is question mark and angle bracket. Not a predefined variables. $ASCII is not a predefined variables. All $get, request and post, all are the predefined. Which function return the number of characters in the string variable? strlen. That means answer is D. What will the output the following PHP code here? Answer is 1 plus 2, because here plus will be inside the double quote, so not working as arithmetic applications here, concatenating the value. What will the output of this code here again? Of triple equal to returns 1 if A and B equivalent and A and B have the same type. So answer is here 1. Which of the following symbol represent a new line character here? /n, new line character. $a equal to bar 12. What will be the return when $a equal to 12? Question mark 5 colon 1 is executed. So here question mark, this one is working as a ternary operator. So answer is 1. Which of the following statement is the equivalent to the $add plus $add here? A plus 1 equal to is addition assignment, whose outcomes is A equal to A plus B. Same can be done with the subtraction, multiplication, division and etc. So answer is B. Which of the following statement will output $x on the screen? Echo /$x. Following defined a function is the PHP. Correct answer is function, function name, name parameter, function body. So PHP allows us to create our own user defined function. Any name ending with an open and the closed parenthesis is a function. The keyword function is always used to begin a function. So correct answer is D. What will be the output of the following PHP code here? UC words. Convert the all first character of each word in the string to the uppercase. So correct answer is D. Here I capital, L capital, M capital and C capital of the each and every word. What will the output of the following PHP code here? LC first. LC first convert the first character of a string to the lowercase. So here as you see, W is the small, T is small and I is small. So welcome to India. PHP numerical index array begins with the position of 0 only.